How would you react to these situations? Situation 1. Pregnancy.
Yes, congratulations.
Situation 2. Your coworker gets a job promotion.
Congratulations.
Well, if you're always saying congratulations,
Congratulations.
be sure to watch this video. How to react to positive news in English without saying congratulations. On the elevator.
What did you do last weekend?
Oh, not much. Just stayed around home.
Well, me too. I'm so lazy these days.
The pregnant woman.
Oh, hi Sandra.
Hello, guys.
Hey, Sandra. Yeah, so Sandra, I heard the good news. You're gonna have a boy, it seems. That's great news.
Thank you.
Say something.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Well, here's my stop.
Bye, Sandra.
To Sandra.
See you later.
Reactions to pregnancy. That's great news. You'll make a great mother. You'll make a great father. You'll means you will. To react to good news, you can use the future tense to make a positive prediction. That is a great way to react. Make means is in this phrase. Is it a boy or a girl? Do you have your names picked out? I'm so happy for you. Job promotion.
Hi. How are you?
Oh, hey, I'm good. How are you?
Why are you in such a good mood?
Well, you know that management position that was out there?
Yes?
Well, I applied for it, and I got it.
Wow.
Well,
Say something smart. Say something original. What should I say? Don't say congratulations.
Congratulations?
gee, thanks.
Reactions to a job promotion. You deserve it. Use the future again to make positive predictions about their new job. For example, you'll be CEO in no time. You'll do a great job. Birthday. Hi, Emily. Today is my birthday. Hi, Sandra. Congratulations. We don't usually say congratulations in English for a birthday. The most common expression is happy birthday. Here are some other great expressions. You're getting old. Age ain't nothing but a number. Ain't is a word very informal and colloquial that means isn't. Life begins at 30. 40, 50, etc. Warning: if you always say congratulations, you may seem fake or superficial.
Yeah. Emily always says congratulations.
I know.
You know, like if your dog died, she would still say congratulations.
Yeah, I know. I told her once, my phone is lost. And she said, congratulations. It's like she never listens to us. Hi, David. Hi, Sandra.
Ah, well, look who it is. It's Mrs. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. I need to learn new ways to react to good news.
Si te has gustado mi video del hoy, vaya a mi sitio web pensareningles.com, donde puedes acceder a mi libro gratuito que tiene todas las frases esenciales. Y también, si estás muy listo para empezar a aprender el inglés, tengo un curso que va a empezar muy pronto para los principiantes.